So with this credit thing, this is something you gotta become you gotta become intentional, right? With building out your credit. Like this ain't something you be like, oh, okay, I'll think about doing it. I think no, you gotta become intentional about having a good credit score. Learn up on it, read up on it, tap in. Yes, discipline. And the discipline come in not over spending, not over leveraging. Like what I said about the middle class, they go out and buy stuff on credit that they really can't afford. And if you got cash, you always should seek to buy asset first and then have that asset go buy whatever you looking to buy. Comment, credit, and I'll send you the free resources.